Welcome back to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can delete a TikTok account without a password, alright? So it's pretty simple, so follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the three line at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you click on it, a pop-up menu will open up over here like this. Now once it opens up, click on setting and privacy. Once you click on setting and privacy, this thing will open up, and from over here you want to choose manage account. Now since we do not know the current password of our TikTok account, we're going to change it into a new one. But for this, you need to have access to your email or phone number, whichever thing you used when you created your TikTok account, alright? So I used my email, so I'm going to click on reset password, and a verification code is going to be sent to my mail just like this over here. As you guys can see, TikTok has sent me this code. I can write 336225. So I'm gonna write 336225 and wait for some time. And over here, I can enter a new password of my TikTok account. After I enter a new password for my TikTok account over here, I can click on next, and the new password will be set on my TikTok account. And once the new password is set, what I can do is come back to manage account, choose delete or deactivate account, and over here choose delete account permanently. Click on skip at the top right corner, and over here it's gonna ask me to tick mark this. I'm gonna tick mark this over here, click on continue. After that, enter the password of my account and delete my TikTok account. So yes, that's how you guys can delete a TikTok account without a password, by changing your password, alright? So I hope you understand. So hit that subscribe button to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys on my future video. Until then, bye bye.